In this video, we will look at some of the best electric meat grinders on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5 Biolomix 300W Max Powerful Electric Meat Grinder. Are you tired of store-bought ground meat that lacks flavor and freshness? The Biolomix 300W Max Powerful Electric Meat Grinder is your solution for all your meat grinding needs. Whether you're preparing bratwurst, Italian sausages, meatballs, bologna, or even breadcrumbs, this grinder ensures better flavor, tenderness, and texture by allowing you to use fresh meat. With its wide range of attachments, the Biolomix grinder lets you process various meats like lamb, duck, chicken, and beef. You can effortlessly create anything from hamburgers and hot dogs to meatloaf and chili. The package includes 3 metal grinding plates, 3 sausage stuffing funnels, a meat loading tray, a kiba attachment, and a food pusher, making it a comprehensive tool for your kitchen. Impressive grinding speed, powered by a Peak 300W motor rated power 700W. Number 4 Just Buy Spare Knife 50W Stainless Electric Chopper. When it comes to efficient and reliable kitchen appliances, the Just Buy Spare Knife 50W Stainless Electric Chopper stands out with its robust features and durable design. Whether you're chopping vegetables, grinding meat, or preparing a variety of other foods, this electric chopper is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Voltage, 220 volts. Max power, 50W. Work power, 200W. Capacity, 2L. Size, 24 by 29 centimeters. Durable and efficient features, 300 for stainless steel bowl. The chopper comes with a 300 for stainless steel bowl, known for its durability and resistance to corrosion. This material ensures long-term use and easy cleaning. 300 for stainless steel for blades. Equipped with for stainless steel blades, this chopper guarantees efficient and uniform chopping. The high-quality blades maintain their sharpness over time, providing consistent performance. Stainless steel base. The sturdy stainless steel base adds stability to the chopper, ensuring it stays in place during operation and enhancing its longevity. Number 3 Biolomix 50W Stainless Steel Electric Chopper. Enhance your kitchen efficiency with the Biolomix 50W Stainless Steel Electric Chopper. This versatile appliance is designed to handle a variety of chopping and grinding tasks, making it an indispensable tool for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. With its sleek stainless steel design and powerful motor, the Biolomix chopper is both functional and stylish. Material, stainless steel. Power, 50W. Voltage, 220 to 240 volts or 100 to 120V. Blade, stainless steel double blade. Speed, high, low to speeds. Capacity, 2L. Stainless steel compact body design. The chopper features a sleek, compact stainless steel body that not only looks great but is also easy to clean and operate. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably in any kitchen. Durable driving coupling system. Unlike other choppers that use plastic couplings, the Biolomix chopper boasts a metal-to-metal driving coupling system. Number 2 Jaw Electric Meat Grinder. The Jaw Electric Meat Grinder is a powerful and efficient appliance designed to meet the diverse needs of any kitchen. With its high-quality construction and user-friendly features, this meat grinder is perfect for preparing a variety of foods quickly and easily. Stainless steel cup. The grinder comes with a durable, rust-proof stainless steel cup, ensuring long-term use and easy maintenance. To speed modes. Offering the speed settings, the Jaw Electric Meat Grinder provides flexibility for different cooking needs. Whether you need a slow grind for tender meats or a fast chop for tougher ingredients, this grinder has you covered. Mute bearing for low noise. Equipped with a mute bearing, this grinder operates quietly, making it ideal for use at any time without disturbing your household. High efficiency. Despite its low noise, the grinder delivers high efficiency, allowing you to process large amounts of food quickly. Detachable design. The detachable components make this grinder easy to clean, ensuring hygiene and convenience. Number 1 Vevor Electric Meat Mincer Chopper. The Vevor Electric Meat Mincer Chopper is a top-tier kitchen appliance designed for heavy-duty meat grinding. This versatile tool is perfect for both commercial and home use, offering efficiency, durability, and ease of operation. The VEVOR Electric Meat Mincer Chopper is constructed from food-grade stainless steel. This material not only ensures safety and health but also enhances wear resistance and corrosion resistance, making the grinder durable and long-lasting. Powerful motor. Equipped with a robust 1100-watt high-power motor, the Weber meat grinder operates at a speed of 193 revolutions per minute or per minute. This powerful motor allows the grinder to process up to 250 kilograms, 550 pounds of meat per hour, significantly improving the efficiency of meat grinding tasks. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.